So that's part of the danger of streaming on the road. Yeah, got the disconnect protection all jacked up. So that will cause ad replays for pre-rolls and stuff. Oof. But yeah, since I'm traveling, I don't have my stream computer set up to relay things through. Well, I did have it set up at home, but obviously it's not working correctly because I just left the computer unmonitored. So, where were we? Oh yeah, Meadowlarks. Pizza had a Meadowlark song. So, yeah, all I've heard around here is Eastern. And I mean, Meadowlarks, if I have a photo to inspect, I can kind of check the, again, yellow coloration, just kind of like what I would do with the cormorant. But in this case, feathers, the yellow around the malar and stuff, I can eventually make a differential ID visually sometimes. But typically I just rely on their songs, and everything I've heard here has been Eastern. I think that's kind of the standard here in this area, although, like I say, we get some Westerns in central Oklahoma. We get mostly Westerns in western Oklahoma. We're kind of right on the overlap line. So I don't know where here. If presumably you start going west of here, you'll get Western ones. And then Pallids, I don't know that much about and I've never seen. Alright, since I'm going to have to go in about 10 minutes or so, let's check out the pond one more time. At least get another shot of our baby stilt, because that's, I think pretty clearly the best of stream. There's one of the parents. Just checking out a couple things flying over, but it was a black-bellied whistling duck and not a ring-billed gull. I haven't seen any ring-billed gulls here. Laughing gull. I can't wait to jokingly go back and clip my amazing crested caracara sighting so I can show Doc, hey, I got one too. No big deal. His was a much bigger deal. A much better look at it too. Yeah, I can just export straight from Blender. Oh, I see something across the road I'm kind of interested in. Let me scope it out first before I switch the camera. Could just be a mockingbird again. We've seen lots of those. Need to swap camera batteries, so my voice will go dead here for a second. But yeah, no, that's not a mockingbird over there. So 1 second. Yeah. I don't know if that song was coming through at all. Try to get a little closer. With the color there, my first thought was, but I don't really know what this sound like. It's like, is that an orchard oil? Unfortunately, I don't have Merlin on my chat phone, because that could help. And I've seen I've only seen one orchard oriole before, and it was a female. I wish he'd pop back up so we can get another look. I could. So I don't have Merlin on my chat phone. Doing audio ID. I'm going to do what I do sometimes, and sometimes even when I'm not using an earbud for chat, when I'm just out birding, I'll have some earbuds with me so I can reference. Okay, cool. Because I'll actually do this while I'm birding because I don't like to use playback. So I'll have a set of earbuds with me. So if I want to reference a recording from my phone of a bird, I can just pop in an earbud, play the recording, and then I'll do that either to check something like that, or if I am looking for something in particular and I want to kind of prime myself for it. Okay, we're gonna do a little kind of tripod action here. Let's see if this works. I only have a few minutes, but we're going to get some good looks of our best stuff. This little pond here has been our most consistent, good views. So we're going to spend another 5 minutes here before I head out. I can't get enough of these black-bellied whistling ducks. They're really great. I was hoping there'd be some here. I saw some baby black-bellied whistling ducks yesterday. We do have, did our baby stilt move? There's something over here. The camera's gonna be off kilter for a second until I can adjust it. Yeah, I think that's our baby. I'll try to level it out a little bit, sorry. So you can hear the meadowlark now. The loud, the kind of consistent close by loud sounds one of the blackneck stilts. So you can see there's a baby. And then if we go just a little bit this way, we see parent. And those little blurs going by, you're seeing those are the purple martins getting drinks. Yeah, let's watch our baby for a bit. And then mottled duck. While we're even, I actually have a close look at this this white-faced ibis. Look at those sheen colors. Well, now it's kind of getting shot through some green. It should come out in the open. The white ibis is all left. But yeah, those colors are just amazing. Don't know why my camera's having trouble focusing on it. Oh, probably those blades of grass. There we go. You can see a little bit of the white face there, the titular feature. Yeah, and it's like it's rusty brown, but it's like got this bronzy metallic sheen that's hard to capture. All right, let's check back in on our baby for just a minute before we end. Hey, baby. Hey, Babs. I mean, I love baby shorebirds. They're so floofy, and they all typically look like they're on stilts. But I mean, this one's literally a stilt, and this like just the massive. I mean, you can kind of, yeah, there you get a little better view. Long, long legs.